In front of me is NUBIA Red Magic 8S Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and getting free app called Caffeine Keep Screen On. When it's ready, open it. Now select OK in Welcome pop-up, and if you want to, click on Timeout to make sure that Infinite is on. Then close your app and go into Tab menu. Following that, click on this pen at the top right corner. Scroll all the way down and look for Caffeine shortcut. When you find it, hold it. Drag it to your current menu, place it wherever you wish to, and let go. Then click on the back button at the top left corner. Finally, you can click on Caffeine, and as you can see, after that, Infinite Screen Timeout is on. To turn it off, hit the same shortcut again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!